To add billable expenses to invoices in QuickBooks Online after creating them, hover over the Create button in the navigation bar. Then click the Invoice link under the Customers heading in the menu to open the Invoice window. Then select the name of the customer or project for whom you entered the billable expenses to invoice from the Customer dropdown. Then a Suggested Transactions pane appears at the right side of the Invoice window. This pane lists all billable expenses and time for the selected customer or project. Click the Add link in the desired billable expense to add it to the invoice. Alternatively, to add all billable expense and time you have entered for the selected customer or project, click the Add All link in this pane to add all the items in this pane to the invoice. After adding the billable costs, enter any other invoice information you need. Then, click a Save button choice in the toolbar at the bottom of the Invoice window to save it. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.